Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you in this video how you can disable automatic updates on your Windows computer. If you are using a Windows 10, Windows 8 or any of the Windows client machine operating system, you can stop the Windows automatic updates using group policy. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get the new videos notification. So let's start now. I can show you how you can do that, how you can stop the automatic updates on your Windows computer. So you need to go to the run menu here and type gpedit. Yes, I have already typed here, so it is showing gpedit.msc. Click OK and go to the computer configuration and expand this. Click on the administrative template, expand this, and then click on the Windows components, expand this also. Scroll down. Here you will see the window update option, and now click on the configure automatic updates. Double click on this and you can see here the option is disabled. If you enable, then there is an option like auto download and notify for install, notify for download and auto install. But you have to disable the automatic updates. Then you need to disable this option. Just click apply and OK.